The name of this lady is Oyshe. She is a housewife, but her greatest identity is that she is the birds lover. Her pet's birds are like her offsprings. This is the biggest bird, macaw, and she calls him Rio.
Oh, thank you. Boy.
She treats Rio like a son. Really, their relation is like son and mother. The most interesting thing is that Oyshe's birds live in her bedroom. All her birds are very friendly and live like family members. This guy is a special one, so she lives on the dressing table. When Oyshe enters into the room, then all her birds become very crazy to ride on her. Really, they are too pretty to look at. When guests visit in their house, the birds become more crazy to be friendly with the visitors. Really, the environment is very enjoyable. Oyshe's all birds are mature enough to eat, but always they want that their mother-like owner will feed them. This heavenly scenery is really rare in this universe. All the birds always obey Oyshe's order.
Thank you.
This is really unbelievable.